Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language in VLC Media Player on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the VLC Media Player on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on the settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option called Language. Tap on Language and you will see a list of available languages. Simply tap on the language you want to use. For example, you can choose English, Spanish, French, or many other languages. Once you select a language, VLC will automatically apply the change. You may need to close and reopen the app to see the new language clearly. If you are watching a movie and want to change the audio language or subtitle, open the video and tap on the screen. Then tap the speech bubble or subtitle icon. From there, you can select a different audio track or subtitle language if available. And that's it. We have successfully learned how to change the language in VLC player on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.